Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are looking at this guy right here. It is the W-King portable wireless speaker. Let's see some of the information about it. D91 product name, 60 watt output power. It's waterproof. It says DSP. I'm not quite sure what that means. It's got deep bass. Let's see. Available colors are black and green. This one is the black one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So, we got some accessories here. A Type-C USB cable. And your auxiliary there. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's a really sturdy, solid design. It says that it's waterproof. We could give that a quick little test there. Still works. Now I've actually, let's get some of that water off there. Right, I actually already paired this with Bluetooth, but I'll just kind of show you guys what it sounds like. Good quality sound, good bass. That's crazy. Waterproof. That's awesome. Actually, I got some more information on this phone real quick. Let's take a little look. So it's waterproof. It is 12,000 milliamps. You can even apparently charge your phone with this. Bluetooth 5.0 function. So, and to connect, I'll actually shut off the Bluetooth, disconnect, and reconnect. When I paired this earlier, all I had to do was push this button. Let's kind of show that real quick. So you can see on here, we've got our Bluetooth, and I was able to click that and then click this on my phone right there in the Bluetooth section, and then bam, connected. Like, that was crazy simple. Let's see, what other kind of info can I give you guys about this? You could actually connect two of these. You could pair these together with more than one. It's got TF card playback. And yeah, I mean, it's great for backpacking, outdoors. It's waterproof. I mean, what else could you really ask for in a Bluetooth speaker? I freaking love it. I think it's great. I'd say go get it. But anyways, this is the WKing D9-1 portable wireless speaker. And it doesn't even have to be wireless. If you want to use auxiliary, guess what? You can. I can show you guys right here on the back. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. So you got your spot for auxiliary. It looks like you could even put a micro SD card in there. Plug in USB. It's got its Type-C USB connection. Awesome. I mean, I think it's right up there with freaking some of the top brand names. Solid construction, freaking great sound quality. I'd say get it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.